First,
the speed of Shatter sounds. Say that 7 of Ruby's 35 sisters are selected as Sonic the Hedgehog's Chaos Emeralds. Based on their colors, which of the following would not be selected? Feldspar, Topaz, Ferrocite, or Lapis Lazuli? Girls, tell me what you think I should do with their scores.
I think we all know what needs to be done!
Yeah, no. I think you blew it.
were you thinking of this one?
The Chaos Emeralds consist of the colors white, red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and violet purple. Orange is not one of them. Because Sonic just can't handle the heat. Yeah, that hedgehog is cooked.